18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, it's a hot one. Temperatures generally about 85 to 90. We just hit 90 at Crawfordsville, 87 here at the station, and 85 degrees at Remington, 84 at Burlington. Boy, the heat is very intense to our northwest. This is record-breaking heat here. Temps above 100 from Nebraska up to North Dakota, even in parts of Colorado, and even on the shores of James Bay, it's 88 degrees. So a little chunk of this will head our way, and it'll be warmer than that 87 tomorrow. I think a lot of places are going to crack 9. Either the heat advisories to our northwest. We will not meet that criteria here, but still heat index mid to upper 90s tomorrow. And there is a little bit of a cold front. You can see a few storms trying to get going up here in southern Canada and parts of South Dakota. That front will usher in slightly cooler, less humid air by Friday and Saturday. And tomorrow, we'll have a couple of these storms kind of coming up from the south as tropical moisture moves northward. So tomorrow and Thursday, a few scattered storms, and then we'll take the edge off the heat and humidity just a hair. 71 tonight at 11, 65 for the low, some patchy fog early tomorrow morning, and back to 83 by 11 o'clock late tomorrow morning with the dirty air in place, the very high pollen, and some patchy fog pretty much every night. This pattern is going to lock in for a little bit despite a little relief to end the week and into the weekend. And there are those widely scattered storms Wednesday, Thursday, and then above normal temperatures right up to the end of August. Tonight we'll be in the low to mid 60s, 65 Lafayette, Fowler, Attica, 63 Burlington. Tomorrow, hot one, will be in the upper 80s to lower 90s, 91 Lafayette, Remington, 87 Logansport, Kokomo, and 89 degrees at Crawfordsville. Once we get to Thursday, about 85 to 90, 88 Lafayette, Romney, 88 at Frankfort. High-risk futurecast, other than a couple patches of fog tonight, we are fine. Tomorrow, though, there's 9 o'clock in the morning and there's the afternoon. A few little widely scattered storms will pop. That's about 5, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. And then they fade away. Little patchy fog tomorrow night. And the cold front approaches, increasing clouds Thursday morning. That's 6 a.m. We could have a couple of storms in the morning hours. That's 9, and then a break, and then a few more storms will pop in the afternoon. That's about 12:30 in the afternoon and about 2 o'clock. Then the front goes through, and the humidity is cut a little bit, and it will cool off just a hair. Notice the dew points high tomorrow, Thursday. Pretty humid, but then it drops. In fact, dew point by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, about 55 to 60. That'll feel much more comfortable. And even though it's going to be pretty warm Saturday, 87 for Jazz and Blues Fest, the humidity will be low, 82 at 7, 71 by 10 p.m. There's that weekend forecast. After 87 Friday, Saturday, we'll be up to 90 Sunday. Still pretty low humidity on those days, but the humidity goes back up. Low 90s again next week with dry weather.
All right, Chad, thank you very much. Well, we've got a new member of the News 18 family to introduce tonight, Sports Director Rob Hughes. He comes to us from our sister station in Topeka, Kansas. Welcome, Rob.
That's right.
Welcome to you.
I appreciate it. I'm excited to be here. Obviously, was a Purdue grad myself and spent the last couple of years out in Topeka, Kansas, covering Big 12 sports, KU, K-State. Also a Fishers native, so